How to fix Valorant has encountered an error. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix if Valorant has encountered an error. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to fix if the Valorant game has encountered an error, it could be happening due to multiple reasons. The very first thing you have to do is simply go to status.riotgames.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link down below. So when you go to status.riotgames.com, you'll be able to see a list of all the Riot games over here. And then you can simply check their status. You can go to current messages or you can go to recently closed. And if you see a game called Valorant over here, it means that the Valorant service could likely be down. And that could be one of the reasons why you're not being able to play the Valorant game in and of itself. The other thing you can try to do is just navigate to settings, and under apps you want to simply go to the apps section over here, go to installed apps, and then here you simply want to search for Riot Vanguard. So just go ahead and type in Riot Vanguard over here, then click on the three dots and then choose the option called uninstall. Now once you click on uninstall, just go ahead and open the Valorant game again and the Vanguard will be automatically downloaded, and after that your issue is most likely going to be fixed. Hopefully one of these solutions may have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.